Good morning, Wonder Fam, and welcome to the struggles of being a parent.
Haggard na haggard ka.
Oo nga. Welcome to Team Walang Tulugan. Pero at least, Wonder Fam, sa wakas, nagpalaba na ako. Yes, nagpalaba. Kasi wala akong time paglaba. This morning is going to be Baby Nitro's first bath time. So, ibabate natin siya. Tapos, tingnan natin kung nagustuhan niya. Kung ayaw niya, bahala na siya kasi kailangan. Kasi ang dumi-dumi niya. This will be his first bath time. Yes, bath. Doon sa amin kasi sa Australia, bath. Yan ang pagbigkas ng bath. So, gitna ng 7 a.m. hanggang 9 a.m. dapat nandun siya sa labas magpapaaraw para iwas po natin ang jaundice. Ang problema, sabi ni Kim Chu, bawal lumabas. Buti na lang, nag-comply kami. Wala kaming ginawa sa pinagbabawal nila. Pwede na kami lumabas. Yun yung maganda kay Kim Chu. Kahit negative yung nangyari sa kanya, ginawa niyang positive. Kim Chu and I were actually on TV together before. Nung open pa ang ABS-CBN. We were on a show called The Story of Us. Ganon din dapat tayo kung may negative sa buhay natin, gagawin natin positive. Dito, nakita po natin ang sunset. So, we can see Manila Bay from here, ganon. So, Don't Fam, as you can see, meron tayong malaking bintana. May nakasampay pa. Naglaba. Ang problema namin, walang ray of sun na pumapasok dito kasi nasa kabila ng building ang sunrise. Okay guys, we're gonna take Nitro outside. Yeah, it's gonna be your first time in the sun. Nice. Where are we, Nitro?
Asawa din. Wala doon.
You like this place, huh? Alright guys, ang ulo niya ay nasa shade para hindi masakit sa mata. And his body nasa araw. Pinapaaraw namin siya ng 10 to 20 minutes.
Anong oras?
I don't know what sa phone mo. I think it's 8. So by 8:20, balik na tayo. Dahil may COVID-19 ngayon, we had to get special permission to bring him out here. Kasi advice ni doktor, kailangan para iwas sa jaundice. Like it's absorbing the sun. Aren't you, baby? Yeah, does that feel nice, huh?
Oh my gosh,
Gusto mo ba, Nitro, ha? Sunbathing?
I think gutiyan mo kamot para may hey, your hand is so, it's like covering half of his upper body. Sugad. Tapos na kaming magpaaraw.
Yes, tapos na. Uwi na tayo sa loob.
Tara.
Okay, nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay. Umiyak na si Baby Nitro. As you can hear, nag-enjoy siya dun sa labas, no? Parang naramdaman niya talaga yung araw sa skin niya. So ngayon, we're gonna give him a bath. And then, yun. We'll see how he likes the bath. Ito ang pinakaunang bath niya. Okay, dahil maliit ang pondo natin, he has to take a bath dito sa aming shower. So, ayun. Sana all goes well. Okay, it's kind of warm, I guess. Okay. Let's see how he reacts to the...
No.
He doesn't like that.
No. This bad. I need this bad.
Put me a line now. Okay, baby. Tapos na. Sit, boy. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's alright. It's not gonna creep up on him or anything.
This is supposed to be covering his hands.
Sige, That's alright. It's alright. It's not gonna creep up on him or anything.
This is supposed to be covering his hands.
Sige, unfold it. It's way too big for him, eh?
Too big.
Oh, babe.
I'm sorry. He scratched his face.
Oh, I did.
Okay.
Put him down, put the mitts on. Okay, sorry, Nitro. Sorry. Mommy and Daddy let you scratch your face.
Won't he be like super mapasok?
Okay, Shanta is breastfeeding and masakit na. Masakit sa ano niya. Bebe, how are you feeling na?
Much better.
You're feeling better na? So, kailan siya masakit?
Sa start siya masakit pag nag-latch siya. Kasi di ba 3 days na. So masakit siya sa start kasi sensitive na yung nipples mo. Para siyang kinukurot ng madaming beses na may nails. Tapos like paulit-ulit na kinukurot. Ganon yung feeling. Tapos pag matagal-tagal na, okay na siya. Kaya okay na ako ngayon.
Sabi mo parang nagkaka-fever ka.
Kila is life. Oo. Dahil sa sakit. Alam mo yun, kagabi, yung feeling na parang nandito yung iyak mo. Tapos parang nagbabubble up. Parang nag-gurgle. Ano to? Basta bubbling up yung iyak mo dito. Umaakit siya dito. Tapos hindi pinipigilan ko lang yung sarili ko na umiyak. Pero ngayon kanina, masakit talaga. Kaya naiyak talaga ako sin sobra. Pero natapos, parang dadaan lang siya na sakit, tapos mawawala na ulit. Mas masakit to kaysa mga anak.
Grabe, talaga? Naka.
I was doing this, and then like parang nakadiyan na akong tuok. Like, I was going to cry na, like.
I'm so sorry, baby. Hey, Duanta fam. I'm gonna do this really quietly because the baby is waking up. I think he's still asleep. So, and Mommy Shanta is sleeping then. Okay, so we're gonna do this really quietly. This is gonna be our shoutouts. Alright, our shoutouts for today's video. Alright, una sa lahat, ang pinakauna nating shoutout ay para kay Cheryl Ai. Cheryl Ai, I think, about younger children learning 6 languages, up to 6 languages. So, thank you for that piece of advice there, Cheryl. Next goes to Rina Bolivar. Rina Bolivar, she says, congratulations to your new baby. She said, pasensya na, nakita ko kasi daming nag-comment sa video mo na mali daw ang pag-burp mo. Again, congrats, you're awesome parents, and I mean it. She said, you guys are doing a great job taking care of your baby. How you burped your newborn was correct daw. Maraming iba't ibang opinion, no, sa mga video namin, like how we should be parents and how we should be parenting. We're first-time parents. We don't know what we're doing. So I appreciate your message, Rina Bolivar. Next we have Teresa Arizala. 3 araw daw siya walang load. Hindi siya nanonood ng mga vlogs namin dahil syempre walang load. And then may panag-inip daw siya about us. Ngayon may load na daw siya. Kaya manonood siya sa mga vlog namin, Duanta fam. Yes, thank you so much, Teresa. That's awesome. Alright guys, we will see you sa next video natin. Alright, abangan nyo bukas around the same time. Bye for now, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Now I have to tell you that we have a website for learning Tagalog and Bisaya. So if you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, check out philtalk.net. You'll find courses complete with videos, downloadables, flashcards, etc. So check it out. $13.99 a month. You can cancel at any time, and we are always constantly updating the website. Alright guys, kita-kita sa sunod video ng Duanta. Bye for now.
Wonderful you are, and I really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever. Ang minamahal ko, aking diwata.